Alright, here come the switchers back. Looks like they don't have anything on them. The Port of Montreal, and I'm viewing these from Notre Dame Street. Here's the Slug unit. And that's 1004, the RP20BD. This was rebuilt from an SW1500. You can see that it's got Blomberg trucks. Looks like it's going to pick up some more intermodal cars. So I'm kind of glad I waited out here on the bridge, even though it's not ideal situation with a little wind and traffic being close. It's a narrow sidewalk. And there's, of course, Jacques-Cartier Bridge. And these really rare to see, for me anyway, Port of Montreal switchers. Here on the 3rd of April 2023. We're heading back to pick up some more intermodal cars, I'd imagine. And I'll get them on the flip side.